In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block someone in Microsoft Teams chat. Sometimes we find ourselves needing a bit of peace and quiet or to manage our interactions more effectively, and blocking someone might be a helpful tool in achieving that. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to open Microsoft Teams. This is your digital workspace where communication and collaboration happen, so it's an essential starting point. Once you're in Teams, navigate to the Chat tab. This is where all your recent conversations are housed. It's crucial to familiarize yourself with this area as it streamlines accessing your communications. In the Chat tab, locate the person you're intending to block. You'll see a list of names that reflect your recent chat history. Click on the chat with the individual you want to block. This opens up your conversation history, which can be particularly useful if you need to revisit prior messages before making your decision. At the top of this chat window, you'll notice the person's name or profile information prominently displayed. Click on their name. This action opens a contact card offering various options related to managing how you interact with this person. Next, you need to locate the More Options menu, often represented as three vertical dots or ellipses. Clicking on this menu reveals a list of various actions that you can take. It is a handy tool for customizing your team's experience to best fit your needs. From this list, select Block Contact. It's a simple but effective way to stop receiving messages or calls from this person. Keep in mind that this action can greatly reduce interruptions, allowing you to focus on your work or take a break from interactions that might not be productive for you. After blocking them, you'll notice that no further messages or calls from this contact will come through. It's important to remember that you can always unblock them later if you choose. Being able to control these settings empowers you to maintain your communication on your terms. That covers the process of blocking someone in Teams chat. It's a straightforward task but offers a powerful way to manage your communications more effectively. It's always a good idea to regularly review your chat settings and make sure they align with your communication preferences and professional needs. Remember, blocking is a reversible action, so you can always adjust your connections as your situation changes. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you in managing your communications in Microsoft Teams.